Ninja Woodfire keeps shutting off? Here's what to do. If your Ninja Woodfire shuts off mid-cook or powers down suddenly, here's what to check before assuming it's broken. Step 1. Make sure you're not using an extension cord. These grills draw high wattage. Weak or long cords can cause voltage drops that trigger a shutdown. Plug the unit directly into a grounded wall outlet whenever possible. Step 2. Let the unit cool between long cooks. Back-to-back smoking or roasting cycles can trigger thermal protection. Let it rest 10 to 15 minutes between extended uses. Step 3. Check for grease or ash buildup near the heating area. Too much buildup can overheat the system and shut it down for safety. Wipe down the burn pot, grease tray, and inner walls regularly. Step 4. Inspect the power cable and outlet. Look for loose plugs, damaged cords, or tripped GFCI outlets. If the outlet itself seems unstable, switch to another circuit. If the unit still shuts off without warning, it could be an internal wiring or control board issue. Contact Ninja Support using the link in the description. If this helped you finish your cook without interruption, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for clear, quick appliance fixes. And if you're running your grill outdoors, we've linked a weatherproof outlet cover in the description. It protects your power source and prevents accidental cutoffs. Thanks for watching, and grill steady!